Ken Fain, Island Carpet, Tile, and Hardwoods. We love doing carpet and tile on yachts. Last year we did 10 yachts. I have one thing to say to all you yacht captains and yacht owners: shop early. Sometimes we're not given enough time. A 4 to 5 week window is pretty much what you'll need to get new carpet in your yacht, regardless of whatever port you're in. What do I mean by that? It usually takes us at least 3 to 5 days to template carpet on a yacht. Why do we have to template? Because we don't want to bang up the woodwork. Then it'll take the mill anywhere from 5 to 10 days to get us the carpet if it's in stock. And then it takes us anywhere from 3 to 5 days to fabricate the material before we bring it back onto the boat and fit it. So that's a lot of time. And very often, yacht captains find themselves squeezed. They like to do a project, but they're disappointed because the time frame doesn't work. They haven't left enough time to get the job done. We love doing yachts, but when I say shop early, it means think ahead. Ken Fain with some advice to yacht owners from Island Carpet, Tile, and Hardwoods.